Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a comparison between ClickUp and Slenke, two popular platforms for project management in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at ClickUp. ClickUp offers a comprehensive suite of features tailored to diverse organizational needs. It stands out for its AI-powered productivity, viewing work options in different slides and customization options. You can easily integrate the tools, search files through your app or local drive, organize your work and events. Additionally, ClickUp offers a mobile app, providing users with the flexibility to manage projects on the go. In terms of pricing, ClickUp offers 4 monthly plans. First, the free plan offers 100 MB storage, unlimited tasks and more. Second, unlimited plan for $7 is best for small teams, offers free plan features with storage, integration, and more. Third, business for $12 is best for mid-sized teams, offers everything in unlimited with Google SSO, custom exporting, and more. Last, enterprise plan for custom price is best for large teams, offers everything in business and more advanced features. On the other hand, Slenke is a project management platform designed for small to medium-sized businesses. It focuses on simplicity and ease of use, with a user-friendly interface and straightforward project tracking capabilities. It offers features such as project management, task management, team messaging, Kanban boards, Gantt charts, time tracking, project portfolio, and resource management. In the terms of pricing, Slenke offers a premium monthly plan at pricing $18 and annual plan at pricing $15. Enterprise plan with unlimited features and custo pricing is provided in both annual and monthly plan. In summary, both ClickUp and Slenke offer powerful features for project management. ClickUp shines in its feature richness and customization abilities, making it suitable for larger teams or projects with complex workflows. However, if your team values simplicity, ease of use, and an intuitive interface, Slenke could be the ideal solution for your project management needs. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between these two platforms. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between these two platforms. Thank you for watching.